Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible? I will tell you how it will be accessible to you. You have to add it to your favorites, and from there you will have to add it to your chart. I'll show it. We will start in 2-3 minutes. Okay, we can start now. I think we have almost 15-16 members. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So are you aware about how the algo is used? I'll share my
No, no,
screen.
no.
Okay. Screen share. Just 1 minute. I will log in from another system as well so that I will be able to see what is visible. Can you see this?
Yes.
So this is silver. So basically, algo means we create some logic and then run it on algorithm. Everything is executed automatically based on the rules which we fix. One minute, please. Okay, so basically, when we use some indicators or some logic based on price action, then like I will show you my indicator or my price action toolkit. So suppose this is my price action toolkit and I have some color coded candles here. And if this yellow candle or this yellow candle gives me a buy signal, but I'm not on system, then what I can do? If I give instructions to computer that whenever this candle forms, just place order to buy. And once you buy, keep trailing stop loss below swing lows or below intermediate swing low. So what will happen? It will automatically buy here. It will keep stop loss trailing here, here, and finally it will exit in this candle. So this way algo will automatically trade for me. And that is possible using trading view chart or Python, or there are different ways. Some websites are also available. One needs to have some logic and create a code. So I have created one strategy. This is one strategy which is coded, and I'll show you some settings in this. Okay, so this strategy is based on few criterias. And here I can write my capital that can be used. Then order size can be fixed to contracts or percentage of equity. So if I use fixed contracts, this is bank nifty. The bank nifty size is 25. If I want to trade with one lot, I can write 25. If I want to trade with two lots, I can write 50. Then there is option of pyramiding, means if there are consecutive trades one after another, this is trend following system. So if there are back-to-back tests which give entry, the system will keep adding trades. So if I make it pyramiding, you can see number of trades has changed. Cumulative profit also changes. If I make it 1, it is just 72 trades and 3 lakhs profits. If I make it 2, it is pyramiding, it is adding 1 trade, and here number of trades has increased and cumulative profit has increased. Then here there is a option to write commission. So we can add commission also. Now here, if you see, cumulative profit is 3,28,000 for 87 trades, but commission is 0. Can anyone tell me how much commission will be adequate per transaction for Bank Nifty?
₹20 usually, one for one execution.
That is brokerage.
Yes.
And what about slippage and other charges of government?
Yeah.
How much will it be?
Maybe that might count as ₹30 per trade.
No, it is
Average.
not 30 rupees. I'll
Including
show you.
120
It
to
is
150 rupees.
400.
So we'll calculate out exact number, exact amount. Here we can go to Zerodha brokerage calculator. I usually use this. Here future and options. If we use futures, suppose we are using Bank Nifty futures and we bought at 42,000, sold at 42,000. Quantity is 50. So we'll get absolute number of amount we pay. That is 403 rupees.
Oh, wow.
This is for futures. If we use equity, same size, the charges are very high. 42,000, 42,000. See, this is 811 rupees.
Oh my God.
And if we use delivery equity, that is 4,700. See the difference? This is just 400 rupees. This is 4,000 rupees. So if possible, we should trade in futures or options when we are trading. Otherwise, the charges will eat lot of profit from our pockets. So this is just brokerage and taxes. Now in this, we have to add some slippage as well. Because if we are trading at market orders, then slippage will be almost 10 points at least in Bank Nifty on both sides, right? So 10 points means 500 plus 500. That will be around 1,000 rupees of slippage.
Bank Nifty lot should be 25, no?
Yeah, I have added for 2 lots.
Okay.
So if we use 1 lot, then it will be 25. In that case, brokerage will be 225 and almost 250 rupees of slippage if there is slippage of 10 points at the most. Usually it may be 5 to 6 points, but we are considering larger slippage of 10 points. So by that calculation, the commission will be around 750 rupees. But here if I write 750, that will be considered as one side commission and it will be doubled. So I will write 375 rupees. We can see cumulative profit is 2,68,905. We have to consider this commission. Instead of this, I can write percentage. So if I write percentage of 0.05, so 0.05% commission is more than what we have anticipated earlier. So it is more than 375 rupees. This actually comes to 0.1%. If we make it 0.04%, so it is 1,97,000. If we make it 0.3%, it is 2,30,000. And as per our calculation of per order 375, the profit comes to around 2,68,000. Okay, so we can easily use percentage of 0.03. There is still 38,000 less profit as compared to the actual amount which we calculated using slippage and taxes paid. So this is fair amount of commission which we are paying. Now if here we increase the lot size by 100, even then the calculation will come right. If we write 375 rupees, then for every order size we'll have to change the commission. Now here instead of 100, if we write 200, even then the brokerage and commissions will be calculated automatically. So this is one part. Is there any confusion in this?
No.
So we can calculate for 2 lots or maybe 1 lot. How much is margin required for one lot?
Roughly 1.5 lakhs.
1.5 lakhs. So this is first part where we have to enter our initial capital. We can enter any amount, that doesn't matter. If we just want to calculate for 1 lot, we can write 2 lakh. Okay, so that will be the capital required for 1 lot. Pyramiding, we can change from 2 to 3 and check what happens. The profit is decreasing. So pyramiding up to 1 more trade is possible in Bank Nifty. Okay, then these things we don't have to add anything here. Margin for long position, margin for short position, we don't need to add, and we don't have to do anything here. Back testing precision or order. In style, we don't have to do anything. In visibility, we don't have to do anything. Main thing is in these inputs. So I will tell for each and every instrument which you are going to back test, I will give you one specific number which you have to enter. Now this is length. First, moving average length. Here we can change the length. And I will show you how it affects the result. So this is Bank Nifty. Chart is 15 minutes. Now instead of 60, if I make it 220, see profit has increased slightly. Earlier,
What
it
is
was
length
under-
actually?
What?
What is length actually?
That is my coded formula. So,
Okay, fine.
so here we have 220 length in first parameter. And if I add that, our profit is increasing. Okay. Then here we have a pivot. So instead of weekly, if I use daily, what happens? Profit is decreasing. So we don't have to use daily. If we use monthly, what happens? Profit is even less. So I think weekly is fine for this. Then there is another length. In this length, I have got a value of 51. See, the profit has increased from 127 to 139. And the standard deviation is 1, that is fine for it. Then I have this body of candle. If I make it 1, see the profit has decreased drastically. If I make it 2, the profit is increasing. Almost same. So you have to do the changes and find out what is best suitable parameter, okay, for the script which you are testing. Then multiply spread. Here we can add different things. If we do it 1.2, it gives 173. For 1.25, the profit decreases. 1.3, it decreases further. You can change these numbers and find out what is best suitable combination. Then here 0.7, profit decreased. 0.3, profit increased. If I make it 0.6, profit decreased. 0.8, it is fine. 0.9, it decreased drastically. Okay, and then we have highest high look back, that is for stop loss. If I increase stop loss, profit is increasing, almost same, not changing. So I can keep 3 or 4. So this way you have to make the changes in length. If you want, you can change the source also. You can check what happens with that. Then pivot, these numbers, changing these numbers will not have any it will not affect the results anyway. These results can change with the length change, source change, standard deviation change. Don't change the offset. So that will not be useful. Then body range. So all these 5 to 6 criteria you have to change and find out what works best. Now how we can analyze the result? Has anyone seen this result sheet anytime?
No,
See, we
never.
have list of trades here. From bottom, we'll find out the date, first date, that is 9th of June 2021. From 9 June 2021, based on these criteria, there were 79 trades. This is 18th of January 2023, last trade, and till that time there are 79 trades. So almost 1.5 year and 79 trades, right? Because the criteria are very specific. Otherwise, we tend to trade daily. Now, in 1.5 years, how much is cumulative profit? It is 2,04,000 after deduction of commissions. Can anyone tell me how much it will be in 1.5 years?
How much was the capital deployed?
How much is capital required for one lot?
Around 1.5 lakhs.
Around 1.5 lakhs. So we can deploy any amount more than that. But for safety purpose, there will be drawdowns and all those things. So I think 4 lakhs is adequate capital, which we can use for safety purpose. If there is any drawdown, even then trades will continue. Right?
But if it is a buy trade, then probably the capital required will be less.
No,
One lot, buying of one lot. of
no, same
like
capital will be required for buying as well as selling.
selling margin will be more, no?
No, it is same.
Same.
Yes. This is not option. This is futures.
Okay, futures. Okay.
Yes, these are futures trades, not options trades.
Okay.
Okay, so here we can see list of trades. Then in properties, I don't know what happens. There is performance here and overview. So in overview, we can see how was the equity chart. This was lowest of the chart here, and for initial 17 trades, 18 trades, there was no profit. So first 16th trade, it was giving us losses of around 50,000. How much is it? I think 70,000, around 70,000 loss. Will it be possible for anyone to hold on if there is such loss continuously?
No, very difficult emotionally.
Yeah, emotionally it will be difficult. And because of that reason, it's really difficult for us to follow the rules. But when we have kept these rules in a system, we can see initially, even though there was big drawdown, ultimately it came up and it has given good profits. So we can see in performance summary, there is net profit of 2 lakh rupees. Out of this profit, commission paid is 44,000. So government takes away a lot of profit. And maximum drawdown here is 71,000. Max run up is 3 lakhs. So max drawdown is 71,000. If we just keep 1,50,000 or 2 lakh rupees, then we'll not be able to trade after this much of drawdown, right?
Mhm.
So that's why for safety purpose, we need larger capital, more capital than just one lot's capital. So that will be around 4 lakh rupees. And if we are making 1.5 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees on 4 lakhs, how much will be returned in 1.5 year? It may be around 30% annualized return.
Yes.
Yes, possibly.
Uh, around 30%, yeah.
Yeah, possibly it may be around 30%. Maybe more than that. Because this is approximately 50% profit on 4 lakh capital. So there are different ratios, Sharpe ratio, Sortino ratio. I don't know how to use them. It's of no use to me. This is important. What is profit factor? It is 1.691. That means if we are losing 1 rupee, we are making 1.691 rupee behind that. Okay.
Okay.
Maximum contracts held, that is 50. So because of pyramiding, we are using 2 lots sometimes, not always. And when we are doing pyramiding, then we need additional capital. So keeping 4 lakh capital will be good thing. So even when there are 2 lots added, our capital will be adequate. Then commission paid, then total trades, number of winning trades. Here we can see number of winning trades is just 33, whereas number of losing trades is 46. So success rate is much less as compared to losing trades. Winning trades are less. It is just 41.77% success rate. Then how is this system making profit? Can anyone tell?
Yeah, the winners are giving more.
Yes, so winners are giving more profit. If we see average winning trade, it is 15,187 and average losing trade is 6,442. So average, this is trend following system and it ends the trade only when the system says that trend is not intact now. So therefore, profits are larger, losses are smaller. Here we can see largest losing trade is 17,000 only, whereas largest winning trade is 65,000. So it is 4 times of maximum loss. And only one trade like this can give us lot of profits. It will cover almost losses of 10 trades because average losing trade is 6,000 rupees. Now let us see list of trades. Initially there were many trades which gave losses. So up to 16 trades, the system was in loss. In 15th trade, the loss was 53 lakhs. And we can see just one trade has covered losses in big way. Just 2 trades have covered losses of 15 trades. This was the maximum loss, right? Here we have 4,000, 11,000, 21. It is increasing. Most of the times it is increasing. Just 2-3 minor profits. But most of the times losses were increasing. But still all the losses were small losses. And here we have one trade which has given 40,000. Another trade which has given 21,000. And 2 trades have taken away losses from all the previous 15 trades. Now, if we are trading here, what will happen in 16th trade? When we have lost 53,000 earlier, we'll book profit of 3 or 4,000 rupees, right? So that's why it is really difficult to come out of losses. Our mind is fixed that we have to recover, and we tend to book profits early. But when we are following a trend and the trend is strong, then this kind of profit will give us so much profit that it can erase losses from many trades. So that's why it is important. Just in 2 trades, losses of 15 trades has been recovered. So we have to analyze these things. How many trades were initially in losses and how many trades it took to recover the losses. And then we can see there are multiple trades which have given losses, more losses. There are more losses than profits, but profits are larger. So this way we'll have to analyze. Now this is 15-minute chart for Bank Nifty. I'll show you one more. Bank Nifty 45-minute. This is strategy tester. We have 63 trades. The profit is 4,98,000 for 2 contracts. And this is calculated from same duration, June 2021. Here the trades are less. There are just 63 trades. Earlier there were 79 trades. And cumulative profit is much larger than previous profit, right? Here we'll see overview. Even in this system, there were 17 losing trades initially, and then just 1 or 2 trades must have recovered the losses. Let us see here.
Previous time frame was how much?
15 minutes.
Okay.
See here, magic of trend following. There was loss of 1,94,000, 2,10,000. Then one trade gave 15,000. And then this trade gave 1,32,000, another trade gave 1,20,000, and one more gave 97.
This is all single lots.
2 lots. This is 2 lot. The number of contracts are written here. We can change that quantity. In performance, we can see maximum drawdown here was 2,44,000. So we have to keep capital accordingly. Then I'll show you one more Bank Nifty hourly. This is also for 2 lots. The number of trades 59. Duration is same, June 2021 till now. Trades have reduced and profit has increased. The time frame for entry and exit is 1 hour. So this way we can change time frames. This way we can change time frames, and that time frame change will be from here. We have to change the time frame here and then use indicator strategy. In this strategy we have to make the changes. Here I have made some changes. See, length is 100, pivot is daily.
This is for 1 hour.
Yeah, this is for 1 hour. So you have to find out what is the right combination, how it is changing. If I give you all the things ready-made, then you'll not be able to backtest. It will be just a it will just be mechanical work, right? So after doing this, what you can do? Just 1 minute, indicators. See, I have used previous setting here and it is showing losses. So if I change these settings, that may come into profits. We'll have to make all the changes, and then finally what you have to do is click on this. export data. So if you export data, you will get Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, there will be everything. How much is profit, how much is percentage profit, cumulative profit. So these things will come in Excel data. If you want to do any further analysis using Excel, you can do that. Okay.
Do we need to take a paid version of TradingView for this?
I don't think so. Let me see. I'm checking just any random. Yeah, for taking the data on Excel, you need paid version. But for everything else, you don't need paid version. As you can see the performance, you can see list of trades, and everything is available there. I think export data is also, no, export data is not available. So we cannot export data if we don't have paid version. Otherwise, everything else is visible here and you can do all these testings from here. Okay.
Okay.
So anyone has any questions?
This is for Bank Nifty, no?
Oh, this can be used for anything.
Okay.
I'll show you. So, what was your chart, sir? Pawan sir, which chart you selected?
Yeah, I'm not. Anyway, you can check.
Okay, fine. I had told you to select one chart and probably you had selected one. So this is
Okay,
for
I'm not read. Okay, fine.
what happened? Let me refresh. So if we select Adani ports, Adani NT, let us see Adani NT. See, Adani NT has given short entry here, one more short entry here. Then how is strategies result? We can see Adani NT has given significant profits. Profit factor is 1.562. Percentage win is just 37%. But for every rupee losing, we are making 1.5 rupee. Total number of trades is high, 644. This is for 15-minute chart. If we go to IRCTC, it has given huge profits. But maximum profit has come from few specific trades. We can see here, there was pyramiding here. And because of pyramiding, it has given huge profits. There was rapid up move. And in that, it has given large profits. We'll see what is the number of trade. It is around 223. I'll show you. Here we can see the profits were around 8 lakhs, and then just few trades. These 5 trades, there was pyramiding in all these 5 trades, and these 5 trades are given large profits. So because of this, it is outlier, and it is not routine that this will happen. That's why I have kept this like this, just to show that it may also be seen, but it may not be practical all the time. So performance, if we see, the outcome is 29 lakh rupees gain, and that is from 300 trades, 366 from January 2020.
These are not intraday trades, I think.
No, these are not intraday. All are positional. So you can change all the parameters and find out which one works better. Just test for one stock. Don't test for all stocks. And for all stocks, there will be different setting. It will not be same. Okay, any questions?
But how many parameters are there in all?
Around
Which
5 or 6.
5 or 6. So there will be a lot of permutations and combinations.
Yes, definitely. So we have to go one by one. Like I have shown you. First change the length, then change pivot, then change length of BB, change these things. So that will give you different. It doesn't take too much of time. I'll show you. My scripts, Algo.
And is it necessary that we select a 1.5 year duration?
No, you can select any duration.
This indicator works best on which bank nifty or equity?
It works on everything. You have to find out how it works.
So we
So
have to buy this indicator, I think.
this indicator is not available for buying. I have created this, I have made this. So you can test it and see how it works. So see, first we have to change length, and these lengths can be changed with 10 numbers, 60, 70, 80. And while changing these parameters, keep this on, strategy tester, so that you will be able to see how much is profit or loss and how it is changing.
We have to use laptop for this.
Yes, definitely. Laptop, desktop, anything. You cannot do this on mobile. It will be too tedious. So first we have to change these numbers and see the profit is increasing or decreasing. At 100 it is 163. At 110, how much is the profit? It's almost same. At 120 it is decreasing. So try any number from 50 to 220.
At how much intervals?
10. If we go to 160, it is increasing. At 170, it is increasing.
We have to do it in all time frame or any specific time frame?
You can do it in all time frames. In the
Okay.
time frame which is comfortable for you.
Okay.
If you want to trade based on daily chart, then do it on daily chart. If you want larger time frames, use hourly chart, because 15-minute stop loss can be hunted very easily.
Right.
But hourly stop loss will not be hunted very easily.
Right.
Stop loss will be slightly larger, trades will be slightly less. So we can change time from here. We can change the time frames. See, number of trades is just 37 now. And change the length, change these parameters, these lengths. So everything can be changed, and you will be able to see what happens and find out what gives best profit here.
Right.
And then you will have to analyze these things: overview, performance summary. here, if we click here, we'll be able to see complete statistics for this. Okay. So I
Right.
have sent you the link. I have sent the link in group. Let me see. So this is the link. What you have to do is select that link, copy link, then go to your trading view chart, trading view. So this is another trading view account which I use. This does not have that indicator. We'll go to charts and see if it is there. That script is not here and it's not here. Okay, so what I will do is I'll click here and you have to write a comment. So if you write a comment like this ID will come, which I need. Otherwise, I will not be able to give you access. So here I will show you. So using this ID, I'll copy this and give access. Only after that, it will be added. Once it is added, it will be visible here. From here, this is another account from where I have requested for a demo. So add to favorites. What is the name of this? My strategy. Now if I go to indicators, favorites. I'll have to refresh. See, this is visible here. I will add it. Okay, Abhishek, have you done this?
I'm trying it again. I've posted a comment again, but the same thing is happening. It's showing exclamation mark. Maybe you'll approve once, so it might.
So what you have to do is remove it and add again. Sometimes it happens. Just refresh it or restart your laptop and then add. Maybe after that it will get added. Here there will be these are all default numbers which you can change and find the perfect combination which works. The things which you need to change is initial capital. You have to keep it large so that there will be no issue for position sizing. Then order size, you can change to number of contracts. And if you are looking for equity, this number can be kept as a lot size. If the lot size for Reliance is 250, you can write 250 here. This is Bank Nifty, so we can write 25.
Do we
And
have
here,
to use a specific candle pattern for this algo?
no. You can use this normal candle or you can use bars. Don't use Heiken Ashi. Okay. So this is also, we can see on 5 minutes, there are 31 trades, 48% success rate, 2.943 is profit factor. If you have, if you don't have paid version, then on smaller time frames, it will be difficult to test for longer duration. It will show shorter duration of testing. Here it is, I think it is showing from 4th of November, 3rd of November 2022. So just 2 or 3 months data will be shown. And in last 3 months, there were only 32 trades in Bank Nifty. And how much is commission in this? We have to write commission as well. Percentage 0.03. So this way we can see there is 57,000 rupees of cumulative profit for one lot in last 3 months. So that is more than 1/3 if we just use 1,50,000. But that is not ideal. We have to use more capital. You can see from overview, there was no profit till trade number 18. After that, it has gone into profits. So this way you have to find out is what are our expectations and is it possible to fulfill those expectations. This algo will give that idea. We may feel that our equity curve will continuously keep rising up and up, but that doesn't happen. There may be some losing trades, there may be some positive trades. When positive trades have larger profit, then it gives better results. Okay.
I think if you post this recording in the group, then in
Yes,
case
yes,
we
I
have
will
a
post
difficulty,
the
we can
recording.
review it. Yeah.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, then what I will do is I will try to post it on YouTube. Fine. Will you be able to do it? Does anyone
Yeah,
have
we'll
any questions?
we'll try, give a try. And any questions, we put in the group.
Sure, sure. No problem.
After
Okay,
doing,
then.
how we can send it to you?
Yes, yes. Okay, then. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Darshna, any questions?
No, Prashant.
Okay,
Hello?
bye. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Bye. Thank you.
Fine. Bye.